Hello friends, welcome to my new channel Peace of Mind. I am Ishita. Hope you all are doing well. So in this channel, I'll be sharing some of my personal travel experience, travel related informations and so on, so that when you guys are planning to visit those places, the informations will be helpful for you. So please stay tuned. I presently live in Delhi and have been in Europe for a few years due to my husband's work purpose. So during my staying over in Europe and being a resident of Delhi NCR, I have gathered rich travel experience by visiting various places both in Europe and in India, which I thought I can share with you guys through my channel. So let's have a look. So, as you can see, based on my travel experience both in Europe and in India, I'll be discussing in this channel those travel itineraries, travel planning, budget, and various travel related informations, and some of my personal suggestions coming from my experience, which I'm definitely sure will be helpful for you. As you all know, we all are going through a pandemic situation right now. And in these 2 years, more or less, we all are affected somehow. Tourism sector and aviation industry has been hit badly. When you can't go anywhere, you can't meet your friends, your family, and you have to spend all the day at home during this lockdown situation. And you have to cancel your travel plannings. Believe me, I know how bad it feels. But right now, you just need to cooperate with the situation. Maintaining proper health regime, hygiene and awareness keeps our body strong and immune. But with this, we need to take care of our mind also. Keep it positive and calm all the time. Because we all know positive mind is the reason behind our positive health. So for me, browsing old photos and videos, travel planning for my next trip suits my mental health. And it gives me a positive thought that when the situation will be normal again, I'll definitely visit those places. I hope most of you have done the same thing like me. So, through this channel, I will try to spread these positive vibes to all of you. and one more purpose is there, that we can interact with each other on this platform. You guys can share your travel experience, various travel related informations of new places you have visited, and your feedback is always welcome here. When in this situation, we can't meet our family, our closed ones, and feeling lonely and depressed, here we can build a new big family in this virtual world. And I hope we all will enjoy this. So, for a while, just forget the tension and the situation around us and visit some new places by watching various travel videos, collect information of new places, plan itinerary and budget. So, when the world will be healthy again, we just need to pack our bags and we are ready to fly. And you all may agree that apart from this pandemic and this lockdown situation, traveling keeps ourselves relaxed even in our daily busy schedule. So friends, if you find these topics interesting and going to be useful in future, so please subscribe to my channel so that you can watch the upcoming videos also. And if you have any suggestion and queries, please let me know in the comment section below. So this is all for today. I'll be present soon with the next video. Till then, stay happy and stay healthy.